Hi, we are from NIT Trichy. Our team name is Chem Engineers. I am Bharat, the team captain, and my teammates are Pranav, who is also chemical engineer, and Vishal, who is also studying chemical engineering in NIT Trichy.
The following instances inspired us. People open the knob a lot, much more than what is needed for washing hands. Here, people open the tap to the maximum flow rate for collecting water. Pressing the button on this tap, the water keeps flowing for a certain period of time, hence there's a lot of water wasted in this way. In our design, we allow for the knob to be turned only to 3 flow rates. As we can see, this is flow rate 1, 2 and 3. Initially, the tap is in the off condition and there is no water flow. Then as you turn the knob, we move on to flow rate 1. Flow rate 1 is for washing hands. This is the least speed on a model but just enough. Then we move on to flow rate 2. 2 is for filling buckets, washing clothes. This is the moderate speed flow rate. And then we move on to flow rate 3. Flow rate 3 is for washing cars and gardening. This is the high speed flow rate. We call it the discretization of flow rates. People need to adjust water speed to the appropriate points and accordingly the flow of water will be just enough to suit the purpose.
We plan to implement our idea in two ways. First way, an independent smart tap. It consists of knobs which has provision for setting one among the 3 different flow rates 1, 2 and 3. Inner portion consists of 2 concentric discs and the relative motion between them allows the water to flow through the holes present in the upper disc. Second type, flexible one, used as an add-on to the existing tap. First, user has to turn the knob of the existing tap to the full extent and rotate the lower disc based on its other requirements to control the flow of water.
Idea has many distinctive advantages over other products, especially over existing tap design. And these are, it is simple, our idea easy to adapt, easy to explain to people, and easy to use. The cost is really low. The maintenance is equally low as well. You don't need to spend much on maintenance. And it's really innovative. People will like it. Where do we plan to take our idea in the near future? We have a lot of exciting ideas for this smart tap. For example, RFID tags may be given to each customer to monitor his water usage per week, and this weekly data might be given to him via a mobile app. This will help the customer to realize his water requirements and be more conservative. So where do we wish to go with this product? Where do we want to take this product? As we know, the water requirements will come down by the use of such taps in the near future. Also, the popularity for such a product will always keep on increasing. This will make the product really popular. For the deployment of this device, we want to start from our native city Trichy and move on to other cities in India. When this device really becomes popular, we want to move to other countries in the world.
We had a great time working on this project. We organized meetings, collaborated together, and we worked on the idea. It also gave us a new perspective about the organization. This is Pranav, and Bharat. This is Vishal. Thank you, Shanti, for giving us